want to make a pretty quick video. I got new mirror caps to replace these old ones. They're not in horrible shape, but easier to replace than try to touch them up. Steps to go through: just pull this down. Pretty much just pop this down, right? Pop it out, and then you'll see T15 screw here, T15 screw there. All right, once you get these two screws out, pull this apart. And then this, one thing to consider, see there's two tabs that come out. It's like a finger, it goes out like this. So you need to pull this out and around from the back, off that finger. Be careful, this is still attached. And then you need to do will be a tab here, 1, 2, 3 tabs here, and then one, and it's hidden. Maybe you can see it. It's too hard to see. But back in here, there's a tab. I didn't actually undo this one, but just with a bit of force, it'll come out. So to take this signal out, you just pry this and it'll lift up. And here you can see it. So you need to undo that clip, undo this clip, and then there's 1, 2, 3, and it'll come right off. One, all you gotta do is take it, lay it down, and just line it back up. Line it back up, snap it in. There it is. Remember to snap your turn signal light back in, but you see these two prongs there? They've got to fit in these kind of two holes right there. And so you've got to kind of come in at an angle. This is going to be hard to do holding a camera, but basically come in here at an angle and then bring this around to fit in here, and then that other tab's got to come back in here. You got to fiddle with it a little bit, but you'll install the two screws, and then for this piece, just line it up. You see the center? That's got to line up with the center there, and these two kind of metal tabs on the outside of that. Just line it up, and then use a little bit of force, a little bit of pressure, not too much, don't go crazy, and just snap it back into place and wipe everything down. Don't be bashful, just try to, find a center, line it up, and then just mash it pretty good, and just it'll pop into place. And wipe it down, and then you're done. Brand new mirror caps.